I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Cast screen option. Before casting, just make sure that both your phone and your TV or Chromecast devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network. If they are on different networks, the cast option will not detect your TV. Now, once that's done, you're going to open your YouTube app and then you're going to play any video. Once a video is playing, you can just look at the top right corner of the video player and tap the cast icon, which looks like a small triangle with a Wi-Fi signal in the corner. Now, if your device has already been previously connected with your phone, then you will be able to see this banner at the bottom where you can find connect your devices. You can just hit on continue from there, or once again, you can click on this icon if it is not yet previously connected. Now, you're just going to click on continue, and then from there, you will be able to see that it is going to start connecting to your TV. Now, if you haven't previously connected it yet, a list of devices will appear on your screen, and then you're just going to have to tap the name of your TV or Chromecast from the list. The video will immediately switch to playing on your TV while your phone acts as a remote control.